12 cars ready to go. 20 laps coming to the green. Out of 4 this time, ladies and gentlemen, we're feature racing at Natural Bridge. Into turn number 1. Oh, look out, the 36 almost got up in the wall over in turn number 1 and 2, saves it. Big run down the back straightaway will stay green. The 06 of Hutton is your leader. Pruitt looks to the inside, can't get there. We're going to get a lap in the books with Hutton the leader. Pruitt running second. McCormick is third. Down the back straightaway, Mac Ayers and David Brogan round out the top 5. Single file now down into turns 3 and 4. Starting to test the top side of the racetrack just a little bit. I've got a feeling might be a little touch up here in a little while. That thing's probably going to be pretty sharp for the feature. For the American All-Stars, we've got some good battling going on here in the pure stocks as Hutton has got the lead, but he's not getting away from Braddock Pruitt. That time by, Hutton was a little bit faster, but Pruitt really starting to apply a little bit of pressure to the 06. McCormick has settled into third nicely. No change in the top 5. It is still Mac Ayers 4th and Brogan 5th. And we got a problem down the front stretch. Got a wheel off of the heads up in turn 1. Trouble for Jacob McCormick. Third place cars lost the right rear shoe. It goes bouncing like a basketball down into turn 1. Yellow is out. Should be a good one with 16 remaining. We're coming back to green out of turn 4. Chris Hutton is leading the way. Some new players in the top 5. Here we go. Lap 5 now in the books. Hutton continues to lead as a good battle for 4th in the bottom of turn number 2. And boy, there might have been the slightest of contact between Brogan and Johnson as everybody starts to settle out and adjust here. 6 laps now complete in this 20-lap feature. And the 66 car, Mac Ayers starting to pressure Braddock Pruitt for second. Now Hutton starting to pull away a little bit. Good battle down out of turn number 4 down the front straightaway for the 4th spot now. As the 36 of Johnson's inside of Brogan, and he's going to take it into turn number 1. Got to get back around to the line to make it official. He did not lead that lap over Brogan, but this time it will be official as they cross the loop. Will complete the lap, and now Johnson is up into the 4th spot officially. Single file, seeing a lot of guys moving around, especially in the corners, trying the top, trying the bottom, trying to find anything around this facility that they can grab a hold of to get their cars moving in the forward direction, just searching for grip as it starts to get a little bit slick. As we got a problem for the 3 car of Brogan down the back straightaway. Fell off the pace. Now he's back in the gas after he's lost the 5th spot. And here comes Robert Tyree from the back into the top 5. Brogan's going to settle back into 6, but I've got a feeling something is going around the 3 car. We'll have to keep an eye on that. As the battle for second starts to spice up again, here comes Ayers in 66. Heavy pressure for the 17 of Pruitt now, and the 36 of Johnson's got it rolling well too. Down the back straightaway, and problems for Pruitt. The 66 of Ayers gets under him, and I'm not sure there's not something going on in the 17 car. He is definitely off the pace. Second place car is in trouble in turn 1. And a big pop out of the rear end. Yellow is out. Yellow, yellow, yellow. For the 17 car Braddock Pruitt. Tough break. Well, I tell you what, top 3 running cars not having a good showing as of thus far. The 08 goes out running third. Now the 17 of Pruitt with engine issues. And into the infield goes Braddock Pruitt. And the 11 of Tyree. Keep your eyes on that 3 car. And keep your eyes on that 11 of Tyree coming from the back as well. We're coming back to green. 12 complete, 8 remain. Here we go. Down into turn 1. And Tyree's going to take a look at the 36 of Johnson now. They head down the back straightaway. The 3 cars off the pace. Something wasn't right about 3 or 4 laps ago, and now Brogan is off the pace big time. As the back of the field tries to get around him here, he's waving out the window. Everybody will clear him, will stay green with 13 laps complete. Hutton leading the way. McAir's a second. Johnson still third. Tyree is now fourth. And Joe Harmon in the top 5. With the 22 of Hamilton starting to pressure him down into turn 1 and 2. This time by will come to the line. And it'll be a handful. We have 5 to go this time for Chris Hutton. Well, the 3 car David Brogan has opted to stay on the racetrack. Not sure why. He's way off the pace. And race control trying to communicate with him to bring that car to the infield as we continue to stay green here. Battling down into turn number 3. Look out, your second place car's in the tires. In turn 4, and the yellow is out. Oh my goodness. All right, we got David Brogan in the infield. We're coming back to green. 4-lap shootout. Who's it going to be? Natural Bridge. Chris Hutton leads us to green. Here we go. Down into turn number 1. Hutton will hold the lead. Johnson tried to take a peek but couldn't get there. And loses a couple of car lengths down the back straightaway as they head to turn number 3 and 4. Now battle for 4th. Here comes Hamilton inside of Joe Harmon. Johnson up the hill into turn 1. Tyree tried to get under him but couldn't quite make it. They're coming to the line this time for the 2 to go signal. It'll be white flag the next time by for Chris Hutton. He's led all the way. Outstanding qualifying effort, the 06. Looking very strong here in the feature tonight, and he's coming to the white flag. Out of turn 4. It'll be the final time around. Here comes Tyree inside of Johnson. Battle for second at the white. Little bit of contact coming off 4. They keep it together. Back into turn 1. Still side by side to the inside. He takes another peek. Hutton's got it wrapped up. If nothing happens down in turn 3 and 4, he's going to bring it off the corner. And Chris Hutton's going to go to victory lane tonight. The pure stocks, Dakota Johnson holds on for second. Great run, 8th to 2nd for the 36. Robert Tyree 3rd, Joe Harmon, and Matthew Hamilton rounding out the top 5. So how about it? Matthew Hamilton 5th, Joe Harmon is 4th, Robert Tyree 3rd, 8th to 2nd for Dakota Johnson. Your winner tonight out of Winchester, the 06. He led all the way. How about it for Chris Hutton? They'll go to the scales to make it official. Good pure stock action here tonight at Natural Bridge. Sportsman got to go. right, folks, get out those raffle tickets on that prize basket. Courtesy of the American All-Stars. If you went and purchased tickets on that down at the American All-Star tent, I've got a winning ticket. Get those tickets out. Winning ticket, it's a white ticket, 904155. 904155. And I believe we got a winner. Right here in front of the tower. Go on up to the tent there, claim that prize basket. 904155, the winning ticket in the American All-Star prize basket. All right, here we go. Sportsman to the racetrack, 25-lap feature.